Okay, I am ready. So now I share my screen.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
So can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So open my slide. So hi and welcome to the 7 days online training session on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. And I am Mijan and I will be tutor for this course. I am the Google Earth Engine expert and GIS Arts analyst in Bangladesh. So today, first of all, I will try to discuss you what's the course module we will cover in the 7 days. Then we will explain. So first of all, I will try to discuss what's the Google Earth Engine and what's the introduction. Then move to Google Earth Engine, how you can easily filtering and displaying the different types of satellite data. It just can be Landsat, Sentinel, or MODIS, or any other satellite data. How you can easily filter and display this data in Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to import in raster and vector data in Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to calculating with images. So mainly in this time here I discuss about that how you can easily calculate the different types of band. Then how to calculate the any indices. Okay, so how you can easily calculate the NDVI, NDWI, or other indices you can easily do in Google Earth Engine platform. Then I will discuss in the introduction to image classification how you can easily get the image classification, supervised and supervised, different types of machine learning. You can use that for the image classification. Then I want to show you the live project so that how you can easily make the Landcover classification map using the Google Earth Engine platform. And here we also use the different types of machine learning. Then exporting raster and vector data from the Google Earth Engine platform, how we can easily export and raster and vector data. Then how to make the time series chart, how to make the time series chart analysis for the NDVI, NDWI, or any other indices, how you can easily make the different types of time series chart for analysis. Then I also try to discuss about the spectral indices and develop the skill for calculating any indices. Okay, just like NDVI, NDWI, NDCI, MNDWI, or any other indices we can just calculating in here. Then how to remove the cloud marks from the satellite images. So when you work the different types of satellite images, here you can see the different type of cloud and haze. Okay, so I hope after completing this training session you can easily remove all of the cloud and haze from your satellite images, and you can get a very good looking images, and you can easily use these images for the different types of remote sensing work. Then visualize the hillshade or slope map. So mainly in this time here I use the NASA SRTM dataset. So I will try to show you that how you can easily visualization for the DEM of hillshade map and slope map using the Google Earth Engine platform. Then I will try to show you that how to make the time series chart for the NDVI over a period of time. Then I also move to the air quality monitoring. So this is the another way. In this time in I course added here some monitoring courses. So I will try to show you that how you can easily work with the air quality monitoring, mainly nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, or other gases will be available here. So I will discuss the lot of things for the air quality monitoring. And then I also try to focus the land cover classification map. So actually there are the lot of land cover classification method will be available here in Google Earth Engine platform. So I will explain all of the method, all of the classifier, all of the machine learning method, so that you can easily understand. And then I also move to the land surface temperature in Google Earth Engine platform. So mainly we can observe the land surface temperature in the two satellite images, MODIS as well as Landsat. So I will try to show you that both of the satellite images, how you can easily monitor the land surface temperature using the Landsat satellite images, as well as also you can use here the MODIS satellite images. I will try to show you that, and after that we also make the time series chart. Then I also try to show you that how you can easily calculate the average, maximum, minimum NDVI in Google Earth Engine. Okay, and finally I will try to show you that how you can easily add a legend in your map. So basically this is the course, and this course is only for the beginners, okay, who don't have any programming language, just Python or JavaScript. So for this, in here I also added here the some basic or fundamentals the programming knowledge. This programming knowledge will help you to go to the Google Earth Engine platform, and you can easily use your knowledge for the programming and make your Google Earth Engine code. Okay, so I hope this is our course content. So this is and we will cover all of the course content for the 7 days. Each day I will try to use here the 2 hours. Okay, each day I will provide you the 2 hours live class. Okay, and then I also provide you all of the course material and also practice code, so that you can easily understand all of the things. And I also try to show you the how you can easily calculate the different types of area, classification area. Suppose you want to make a Landcover classification map, so now you want to calculate how many urban or how many built up area will be available here, or how many water body will be available here. So you can easily calculate all of the feature after completing your Landcover classification map. You can easily do it and monitor in this platform. So this is our full course content, and we will cover this course content 7 days. So basically if you want, you can continue our first classes, then you will easily understand how we will teach and go to the step by step. So first of all, do you have any experience with the programming language or Google Earth Engine platform? Any experience?
No, I don't.
Okay, so basically this course is only for you. So mainly in this course I will try to focus of the person who don't have any programming language, just Google Earth Engine platform or other programming language, just the Java or JavaScript or Python. Okay, so basically this is the course mainly for the focus the beginners. Okay, and first of all I will show you the all of the programming knowledges what you need in here. Then I also move to the Google Earth Engine platform, so that you can easily connect the programming knowledge with your Google Earth Engine code. Then it will be very helpful to teach you. So first of all, you can see this is our first day course content.
Just 1 second.
Yeah.
So after I'm done with this course, I'll be able to like measure deforestation and also predict how much deforestation there's going to be in certain areas, right?
Yeah. I hope after completing all of the processes in Google Earth Engine platform, then you can easily develop any code for your own research interest. Okay, so basically you should know to the basic things or basic knowledge, then you can easily develop the different types of code for your remote sensing analysis, and you can easily do different types of code in Google Earth Engine platform and use it your own research work. Okay, so no problem.
And
so
I'll be able to get like graphs and things like that from it as well.
You can do any remote sensing analysis using this platform in Google Earth Engine platform. Just you need to show the code, and all of the codes will be same. Just you need to the fundamental knowledge all of this code. Then you can easily use all of the knowledge in. You can do different types of research work in Google Earth Engine platform for remote sensing. Okay.
Okay. So and then so because you're recording these calls, you're going to send them to me as well, right?
Yeah. You can also get all of the recorded video classes. Then you also get all of the course material. Then you also get the course code, practice code, so that you can also practice. Okay, and you can get from you my lifetime teaching support. Okay, so after completing the whole course, when you face any problem regarding any remote sensing work or Google Earth Engine work, just you can contact with me, then I will help you, no problem. Okay.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I need it for work, and this is the first time I'm using this. So I have experience using drones and some QGIS, but the main work I did was photogrammetry, so that's 3D mapping.
Okay, no problem.
With drones.
Okay.
So this is Okay, perfect, man.
Okay, no problem. I hope after completing this course, you can easily do any remote sensing work in Google Earth Engine using the Google Earth Engine platform, and it's very easy. And I will teach you the very beginners level. Okay, so that's why I will teach you as a privately, so that you can get some knowledge from me, and you can use this knowledge in your research work. Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
So first of all, first day course content, I will try to. Our first day course content will be that I will try to discuss the introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. Then learn the basic principle of JavaScript syntax or fundamental JavaScript syntax. So here I use the JavaScript programming language, so that's why you need to know the some basic principle or fundamentals of the JavaScript knowledge. Okay, so that's why I will cover all of the fundamental parts of the JavaScript syntax. Then we will move to the coding for the Google Earth Engine platform. Then it will be very helpful for you. So then I will discuss about the client and server object. So in this time, you can see Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based platform. So that's why we also should know the server object or cloud server about this knowledge. So I will also discuss details about this time. So then how to get the server to execute your code, and we also discuss a lot of things about this here. Then importing raster and vector data from your local storage and Google Earth Engine dataset, we also covered this. Then filtering the attribute table, suppose if you have a shapefile or vector data, so you can easily import this dataset in Google Earth Engine platform and you can easily filter the attribute table. Okay, we also discuss details about this. And then we also work with the different types of band combination, true color or false color or other band combination also work. Then I also try to show you that how you can easily import, filter, reduce, clip and display the data in Google Earth Engine platform. So basically this is our first day course content, and I will cover this course content and 2 hours. Okay, so every day we will provide you the 2 hours live classes, and when you face any problem after class, then you can easily contact with me and get the solution anytime. And you can also get the lifetime teaching support. Okay, so first of all I will try to discuss the introduction to GEE. So in this part I will try to show you that what's the Google Earth Engine, then what's the application of Google Earth Engine or GEE, then how does the work, then what's the advantage of using the Google Earth Engine platform, then how you can start this tool. Okay, so first of all, what is GEE? So GEE is a short form of Google Earth Engine. Okay, so it's a cloud-based platform. It is a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. Google Earth Engine is a tool that performs the large-scale data-driven environmental analysis. It combines the remotely sensed data, different types of remotely sensed data. It combines for the geospatial dataset from USGS, NASA, Google, and more on. So it access over the 40 years of satellite imagery. You can easily access here the 40 years of satellite imagery for the different types of satellite images, Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, or other dataset. You can easily access here the 40 years of satellite imagery. And if you have the any own dataset, suppose if you have a own raster image or if you have a own vector data, if you want, you can easily import this dataset or upload this dataset in Google Earth Engine and work with it easily. Okay, so then you can apply the different types of common algorithm to the dataset. Then you can finally export the different types of map like this. Suppose you can export the map Landcover, you can export the elevation, you can export the any satellite images. Okay, or if you want to make a time series chart, you can easily export the chart. Okay, actually we can do any remote sensing analysis using this platform. Just we need to know the algorithm about this. Okay, then we can follow this algorithm and convert it to the code. Then you can easily get this. Okay, so then application, it has a lot of application is available here, but in this time I will try to show you some of application so that you can easily understand what we can do for it. So first of all, mainly we can use it for the detecting the deforestation. Okay, then we can also do for it for the classifying the land cover classification. We can also use for the estimating the forest biomass and carbon. Then we can also mapping the wordless roadless areas. We can also do for the assessment of plant health status, then air quality monitoring, then water quality monitoring, then flood mapping and damage assessment, then drought monitoring, then burn severity mapping, and so on. Application will be available here. We can also do for the land surface temperature monitoring. Actually we can do all of the remote sensing analysis using this platform, and it's very quickly and efficiently we can do it than other software, just ArcMap or QGIS software. Okay, so
so the main reason I want to learn this is so I can get really good at detecting deforestation,
yeah,
and estimating biomass and carbon. This is my two big areas of focus, but also
okay,
flood
no
mapping
problem.
and damage assessment.
I hope after completing this
important.
training session you can easily do it. Okay, no problem. And
Okay.
no problem,
Yeah.
you can easily do it, and it's very easy. Okay, so now Google Earth Engine focus the society's biggest challenges. So it is the deforestation, then the drought, then climate change, then disaster, then diseases, then global food security, then sustainability. Okay, so mainly all of those it will focuses. Then why this is important? Okay, so it has a lot of advantage in Google Earth Engine platform. First of all, it reduces your time to do analysis. Okay, first of all, it reduces your time to do analysis. Suppose you want to make a Landcover classification map for the whole world. Okay, you want to make that Landcover classification of the whole world, but it's difficult when you move to the traditional software, just ArcMap or QGIS or other software. It's the whole of the process you need to do. So first of all, you need to make the download the satellite images from the USGS, then you need to merge all of the satellite images, then you can do. But in this time, when you use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any satellite images. You don't need to download any satellite images. We can just write our code, then satellite image will be automatically come. Then we also work with it very quickly and efficiently. And Google Earth Engine, you can access petabytes of data. Okay, and it's the computing is the very fast. It for this it reduce your time for analysis. Okay, and Google Earth Engine has a different types of tool. This tool will help you to remove the cloud and haze from your satellite images, so that you can get a very clear satellite images and it will be remove all of the cloud and haze. Okay, and you can easily make the collaboration and standardization by creating a common platform for the global data analysis. You can easily using this platform for the global data analysis. Okay, and it has some advantage and disadvantage for the Google Earth Engine platform. I will try to discuss about this, but it has a lot of advantage. Okay, so first advantage you can see, this has a lot of advantage. You don't have to struggle with finding the data set and downloading what you need, since everything is available online. Okay, so first of all, you need to download any satellite images. Okay, and it can access the petabytes of data, and it's the Google computing power is the very fast. Okay, you can do the lot of data set. You can easily, suppose you want to make the Landcover classification map for the whole world, you want to make the deforestation for the any big region, then you can easily do it. Very computing power is the very fast. Okay, so you can easily do it very short time. And it has some disadvantage is that you need to some programming knowledge, but in this course I will try to provide all of the knowledge, programming knowledge which you need for the running the Google Earth Engine platform. I will provide you all of the programming knowledge so that you can easily get this knowledge and work with it, no problem. And it depends on your internet connection. If your internet connectivity is the good, then your Google Earth Engine platform work very fast. Okay, so it depends on your internet connection, and it primarily focus on the raster and raster based imagery. For the satellite imagery or raster based imagery, it will mainly focus in Google Earth Engine platform, and it has some lack of mature and detailed documentation. But in this, after completing this course, you can get all of the details documentation, you can get all of the knowledge, then you can easily remove your lack of mature and detailed documentation. You can get all of the things. Okay, then you can easily work with this platform for the any remote sensing analysis. So how does the work? So mainly Google Earth Engine, you can write custom of codes. These codes then get sent to a specialized server, and in a matter of second, this server send you a response. Okay, so first of all, you can write some custom of code, then this code send a message to the Google Earth Engine server. This server in a matter of second send you a response. Okay, so currently JavaScript and Python are supported in Google Earth Engine platform, but JavaScript is more advanced. So here this training I will use the JavaScript API. Okay, so first of all we will discuss all of the basic or fundamentals code for the JavaScript, then we can move to the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so its software type, it is the cloud computing and web processing. Okay, so you don't need to download any software for using this Google Earth Engine platform. So this is the cloud computing platform, just you can do everything in the cloud, so that's why you need to download any software. Okay, and this is the main website for this earthengine.google.org, and its accessibility is must be online. Then requirements. Okay, so for using the Google Earth Engine code editor, you need to register with your valid Google account. Okay, and after this I will try to show you that how you can easily make the account. Okay, so after a confirmly usually comes within 2 or 3 work day, they get a message from your Gmail, so that you can get either notification on your Gmail. They are confirm your account and you can easily use their code editor in online. Okay, and your computer system must be online, and your scope, it mainly focus the image processing and visualization. Then it will work with the bot, vector and raster data. Okay, so first of all you can start how you can start this tool. So you can just simply go to this link earthengine.google.com, simply go to this link, then click to the sign up button. Okay, simply click to the sign up button, then you can sign in use your Google account. Okay, just put your Google account email address, then put your password, then you can get a form like this. Okay, you can very carefully fill up this form, and you can put all of your full name, your affiliation, your institution type, your country, and what would you like to accomplish with Earth Engine. Just you can describe this question with few sentences. Okay, so why you use this Google Earth Engine platform, then tick mark sign all of these things, then click to the submit. Okay, after submitting you can keep an eye on your Gmail, you can check your Gmail. Okay, they are send you message to like this, and you can simply check in your Gmail inbox, you can get like this message from the Google Earth Engine authority. Okay, Google Earth Engine authority, you have the permission, some of the access for the code editor. Okay, so here you can see Earth Engine code editor. Okay, this is the Earth Engine code editor. You can simply click on the Earth Engine code editor. Okay, then it will be open like this, it will be generate this link code.earthengine.google.com, and this is your code editor for the Google Earth Engine. Okay, so after when you complete this registration, you can get the message from the Earth Engine authority, then you can simply click to here, you can get a user interface like this for code for your write your code. Okay, so this is the step how you can easily get this code editor. And now we also work with this code editor, we write all of the code in here and work with it. Okay, so here I already completed all of the processes, so now I simply go to my code editor and I will try to explain everything about this code editor. You can see this is our code editor. Okay, so in this
one second, let me just open my code editor also.
Yeah, do you have completed the registration for the Google Earth Engine?
Yeah.
Okay, so good.
So, 1 second.